Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I'm really obsessed with this wig. Okay, it is doing what it's supposed to do. And by the way, this wig is glueless. Yeah, no glue, nothing was used. They made sure that this wig is not gonna move. Okay, this wig has an anti-slip lining, an anti-slip band. Okay, it also has a drawstring. Yeah, that is why this wig is glueless. Okay, glueless, no glue, nothing. Okay, like, what do you mean? What do you mean, love me hair?
Blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So guys, I want to show you what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the Luvme hair box. It is written Love Me in silver. They were kind enough to send me 2 HD wig caps, branded wig band, and of course this wig storage bag. Now guys, this is my favorite part of the video. Okay, they were kind enough to send me this gorgeous wig. Okay, let me take it out of the net, and wow, look at that guys. This is so nice. The wig is so nice and super soft. This is a chestnut brown wig with honey blonde. Okay, honey blonde highlights, and this is how it is looking straight out of the box. So let me show you guys how the wig looks inside. It is nicely bleached, all right, and they plucked it very nicely here. I think you can see they also cut the lace as well, so you don't have to worry about cutting your lace. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back. The wig is nice and stretchy. Okay, look at that. And one of my favorite things about this wig is that it has a drawstring. Okay, look at the highlights. Do you see that? Wow. It is literally not going anywhere. Okay, yo, let me put this drawstring back. Look guys, look at that. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay,
Would it been a few hours, would it feel like days? Would it been days, would it feel like months? We're gone for a year, only know like once. Like move fast when you do what you want. Like this time doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
I look so good. I feel so good. I look expensive. I'm blown away. The color blend is absolutely beautiful, and because it's a 13x4 frontal with a drawstring, you get free parting ear to ear, which means more styling freedom and a super natural finish. Middle part, side part, sleek ponytail, half up, half down. This wig, honey, it can literally do it all. And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous chest brown wig with honey blonde highlights. Okay,